Well, Sun Pharma has declared its numbers, and when we look at Sun Pharma, it's still the largest pharmaceutical company here in India, and the sales definitely point out that the US business of Sun Pharma has done decently well. So when we talk about the sales numbers, it's marginally higher with 8,800, close to 8,900 actually, the number which has come in. And then when we look at the EBITDA for the company, or the EBITDA that they have delivered, it's about 27%. That's a massive beat compared to 24 what the street was anticipating. So there is a good 300 to 400 basis point improvement. This is of course excluding the other income that we are speaking about. Other income itself is at 315 crores versus about 100 crores. Other operating income of course has fallen down. That's maybe because of the MIES, or the sort of export benefits that were coming in for the sector has gone down. Now in the press release they say India business, or India formulation business, has done well with growth of close to single digit. That's a very decent number for the size of Sun Pharma that they operate in. Same is the case with the US market. They've done in dollar million almost growth of about 7% on a YOY basis. We need to get more details in terms of one-off as to why that has happened, but that looks to be a pretty solid number. In terms of R&D spend, broadly what they have guided for, close to what they do every quarter, is something which they continue to do in terms of the R&D spend. And the overall PAT number, or the PAT number, the net profit number that has come in close to 1,850 crore. That's about a 21% margin. Now the estimate was close to 1,300 crores in terms of profit. So it's looking in like a very, very big beat. Then when we talk about their internals, even emerging markets have done well, India has done well, and so has US. Dilip Shanghvi has commented on the press release and said that Ilumya, which is one of their specialty business products, where there was a concern regarding market share gains, he said that the 9-month sale has this year's 9-month sale, which is a 3-quarter sale, has already crossed their entire full year. So that is something which they have particularly commented on. Now, of course, there will be the conference call that will happen, and we will wait out for a lot more details in the conference call. One thing to watch out for is what's happened in the US business, whether this business is sustainable or not. Is there any one-off licensing income into this? It looks unlikely, but let's wait and watch for the commenter to come in. So that is something which essentially will be in focus. Will the R&D spend be up? What is the particular pickup as far as their specialty business is concerned? That continues to be one of the key things. And every year, Sun Pharma does tend to give, that's Dilip Shanghvi, of course, the promoter of Sun Pharma, who has a big say in the sector, continues to say that, what is his outlook for the US market? What will be the new launches that come in? How will Sun drive its business? And what is their outlook for India business? So these are 3-4 things that one still has to watch out for. But overall, numbers are solid. Margins are better than estimate by all means. US business has clearly led this number. Emerging market India has also done well with no major cut down as far as R&D is concerned, and other income is also particularly high versus what their usual run rate is.